attractive is literally a cheat code to life. If people view you as an attractive individual, they're gonna wanna be around you. They're gonna wanna date you. They're gonna wanna give you things. You're gonna make more money. You're gonna date higher caliber people. You're gonna get more action. You are gonna have generally an easier time at life. And so today, if you give me a few minutes, I'm gonna make you so attractive, it literally feels illegal. It feels like you're cheating because of the advantage you have over everybody else. Don't be a puss. Be strong, both mentally, emotionally, and physically. Ask for help when you need it. People like to help other people, and somebody that is vulnerable enough in order to ask for help, super attractive. Which brings me to vulnerability. Do that. Be open emotionally. Connect with people on an emotional level, and you automatically are gonna be more attractive. Have a sense of humor. Don't take yourself too seriously. Nothing is more attractive than somebody that is humorous or that can laugh at themselves. Be kind, be nice, be courteous, be friendly. Be a gentleman. Nothing says, yo, I'm attractive, like having good manners, saying please, saying thank you. Have a finely tuned moral compass that you don't compromise on. Never compromise your morals, never compromise your integrity. Never do what is easy as opposed to what is right. Always choose what is right. Help other people. Nothing is gonna make you more attractive than when you help other people. It automatically makes them view you as an attractive individual. It also makes you feel good about yourself. Looking people in the eye, smiling, active listening, nodding, making them feel interesting. And that's one of the best things that you can do in order to be attractive, is make other people feel good. Another pro tip is to give them compliments. One of the quickest, easiest things you can do to be viewed as super attractive is give somebody a compliment, whether or not it's on their watch or their hair or their shoes or their car. By giving somebody a compliment, it automatically makes them like you more. It automatically makes you more attractive. Speak eloquently. Don't say, don't curse. Don't be ignorant. Don't say hateful or racist things, all right? Uplift people. Something else that's gonna automatically make you more attractive is be optimistic. Nothing makes somebody more attractive than when they are optimistic and uplifting, as opposed to the flip side, which is a pessimist. Nobody wants to be around them, and it automatically makes somebody that might be good looking less attractive. Something else it does is being out of shape. Now, like I said, it's not all about looks, but you've got to look respectable. You've got to look like you have discipline. And so your body fat, you got to get it down, all right? 15% or below is what I would personally recommend. You don't need to have chiseled six-pack, but you can't look like you've got no discipline. And unfortunately, that's something that happens when somebody sees somebody that's out of shape and got man boobs, all right? Something else is your face. Fix it. Your skin, it's easy. Skincare, period. Your teeth, fix it. Make them white. Get orthodontic procedures. Regardless, it's easy to fix. Your breath, it can't stink. All right, your hair, it can't be greasy, it can't be oily. You got to make sure it's straight. Get regular haircuts. Have a good beard. Make sure that it's well groomed, all right? Grooming is one of the great equalizers. It makes you automatically more attractive. It also can accentuate your positive attributes while simultaneously minimizing some of your perceived negatives. But just don't look like a savage. Don't have hair crawling up your face. Don't have a neck beard. Don't have hair crawling out of your shirt, all right? Make sure that you are well groomed. Your ears need to be clean. Your breath needs to be good. Your hygiene needs to be straight. Your pits can't stink. Your fragrance can't be too strong or overpowering, but you should always wear one. Style, let's talk about it. You gotta dress well. If you dress sloppy, even if you're the most charming motherfucker out there, it's not going to be the same as somebody that is dressed well. You've gotta take pride in your appearance. Wear clothing that fits your body. It's not worn out. It is style appropriate for the situation and event that you're actually in. Your shoes need to be clean. They need to be stylish. Never wear fake leather. Accessorize sparingly. Be a good dude. Like a genuinely good, kind person, one of the most attractive traits somebody can possess. Do not be a dick. Do not think your shit doesn't stink, because it does. It all does. Don't think that you're better than other people. You may make more money, you may have a higher status, but you're not better. Period. Be a hard worker. Nobody's attracted to somebody who is lazy. Get off your ass. The world doesn't owe you shit. You are gonna decide what you get from it. Taking a chance, taking a risk, going for what you want and chasing your dreams is also incredibly attractive. Educated. Be educated. Nobody is attracted to dummies. Nobody is attracted to somebody that says stupid things, or that treats people poorly, or that puts other people down, or that basically sounds ignorant. Be sexually disciplined. Be loyal. Be faithful. Don't be a scumbag. Don't be a little bitch. Be a man. A strong, confident, self-assured man. If you do that, you are going to be so damn attractive, it literally feels illegal.